Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another episode of Alabama.Whitetail.Outlaws. Today we're outside of our normal stomping ground in Pine Mountain, Georgia, taking a little deer hunting trip. We had planned on doing some bow hunting, but the weather had other plans, so we're stuck to sitting in this luxury box stand with some snacks and a heater, and we're just going to see if we can get moving out here in the cold today. Y'all stay tuned to see what we get.
We got a little doe yearling about 30 yards away right now. We're gonna let her walk.
Good evening, y'all. This is Ashton and Anthony with Alabama Whitetail Outlaws. We're concluding our hunt for the evening. We kind of an uneventful day. We seen one yearling doe. She just kind of hung out and let us watch her pretty much the whole evening, and then that was that. Y'all check back with us tomorrow for some hunting back at home. Good night.
I'm going to be going in the morning with my bow in my backyard, and I will show y'all and film y'all the hunt. Alright, bye-bye.
Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to this fucking deer hunting show.
Hey there guys, today's December something. Shut up. What's up there, guys?
I'm TJ and this is Dickhead. We didn't see a damn thing. Hey, how's it going? We'd like to give y'all a warm welcome from the Alabama Whitetail Outlaws with Ashton and Anthony. We're out here kind of outside of our normal stomping grounds in Pine Mountain, Georgia today. We got some nasty weather, but we're gonna do as we've always been done and try to make lemonade out of these lemons. Fuck you.